Greetings colleagues, today I want us to incorporate the three tools, mySDLR, Notebooklm, as well as Copilot. Welcome to part 2 of our AI tools. Let's start with our Notebooklm. This is a Google tool. So also we're going to open Copilot because we'll be working on Copilot as well. We've got two tools that are open, Notebooklm as well as Copilot. So we're going to add that particular PDF that we downloaded from mySDLR. Remember that one? Notes on climate and relief. Drag that one. We are going to drop there. This is what we are going to prompt. Summarize the uploaded notes. That is on Copilot. Then enter. Alright, it's coming. They summarize notes on climate and relief. As you can see, now they are talking to each other. So now we are using AI tool to make our information from mySDLR current. I use the word current or useful. Okay. So I'm also going to say generate a PDF for the following, for the notes. So it should be able to generate the PDF for me. Remember, I need the notes so that I can be able to use on the Notebooklm. So we're going to download. There you are. It's downloaded now. So these are the downloaded notes, colleagues. As you can see, there you are. Okay. So now let's go to Notebooklm. On Notebooklm, colleagues, there it is. I'm going to highlight there it is. You are going to click on create new notebook. Going to upload the file, the one that you have already downloaded from Copilot. Open. It's loading. Just check what it's doing. It's loading. All right. So it summarizes the whole document, the whole notes. You can check there. Click that one. So the notes have been summarized, but there's an interesting feature that I want us to look on. There all the notes about the document that I've just downloaded. So we can be able to generate the following: mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographic, and site tag, as well as data table. But let's start with the mind map. You click on generate mind map. So now it is generating the mind map. Also can generate the quiz. I'm also clicking there. It's generating the quiz as well. Okay. You can also have reports. Okay, you can create your own. Let's cancel that one. Flashcards. You can also have flashcards, colleagues. Alright, let's move on. Let's check the mind map.